The Ramp Rack by Woodshed Technologies. Assembly Instructions. The ramp rack is easy to install on any sized pickup truck. The enclosed assembly sheet is detailed step by step. First, measure the hole spacing in your loading ramps. Transfer that dimension to the bed of your pickup truck. Look underneath your truck to make sure that you won't be drilling into any critical area. Using a level, make sure that your 40-inch chrome tube is vertical and then mark your spot for drilling. Drill a 1/4-inch hole for each of the 2 tube mounting feet. Bolt the mounting feet in place using the 1/4-inch bolt, washers, and nuts. Stand the 40-inch chrome tube in place. Hold your mounting bracket against the side rail of the truck, and then, with a level, make certain that the 40-inch tube is vertical. Then, mark your spots for drilling. Drill 2 1/4-inch holes for each of the 2 mounting brackets. Use the supplied 1/4-inch bolts, washers, and nuts, and tighten in place. Both 40-inch tubes are now installed in your truck. Next, assemble the 4 U brackets with the supplied 1/4-inch hardware. Slide a U bracket onto each of the chrome tubes and tighten in place. Now measure the width of your loading ramp. This determines the spacing of the U brackets. Tighten the top bracket in place. Put your loading ramps onto the ramp rack. Install the 1/2-inch diameter pins. Use either the supplied linch pins or a padlock, and your ramp rack is complete. This entire assembly took about 20 minutes. Ramp rack can also be installed facing in. This allows you to store oversized ramps. You don't waste any space because nothing sticks out further than the wheel wells. The installation remains the same. You just turn the U brackets toward the inside of the truck. Thank you for watching the Ramp Rack Assembly Instructions. For information on the Ramp Rack product and how it can be helpful to you, please watch our related video, Ramp Rack Storage Solution for ATV Loading Ramps.